Chrishjohn Addison has opened up a 24-point lead atop the table in the drift Ruption season following round 2 at the Falmouth Pier last Sunday. Christopher Scott tells us more.
After watching a one-sided World Cup final on the day, patrons turned to the Falmouth Pier for a different type of fun for round 2 of the drift Ruption meet. A bumper crowd turned out and were not disappointed as they got a treat. Once again, the main protagonists dominated and excited the crowd. The stage was set by Andre Walker and Jason Reed before the big machines took to the gravel. Nicholas Taz Barnes, who was fourth in round 1, put up a fight as he dazzled the crowd, but in the end had to settle for a similar position to end with 128 points. Reigning champion Steve Cutter Hype, who missed the cut in round 1, made amends this time round as he drifted himself into third place. Sheldon Z-Boss Johnson stood his ground to be second again, scoring 176 points. But is Chrishjohn Addison. Addison was king of round 1 and again in round 2, as after the tire smoke cleared, he totaled the maximum 200 points to send his fans into a frenzy. This was the last event for the drivers to get in shape for the high-speed tracks, as round 3 to 5 will be held at Dover and Jam West. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.